Hi friends, in this video we will learn about blocks. So in Java we have a concept called blocks. There are actually two types of blocks. One is static block and another one is non-static blocks. So static block syntax is static keyword that we need to write and a space, open curly brace, closed curly brace. So inside this you can write any static related code. That means only static members can be accepted. Usually static blocks are used to assign the static members present in the class, and there is a non-static block syntax. So without a static keyword, if we write a open curly brace and closed curly brace, so this acts as a non-static block, and inside this we can access static members as well as non-static members. So we can write any code, but usually what we are doing is in order to assign any non-static variables present in this particular class, so we will be using non-static blocks to assign values while creating the objects. So let's say one example. So there is a ABC class we have one constructor block. Constructor can be called whenever we need to create an object, and I have created one static block, I have created one non-static block. So all these we can write inside this particular class only. And which one will execute first? So first thing should execute static block because class loads first. So the first thing in JVM is it loads the class. So whenever the class is loading, static members gets loaded. So this is also a static block. It will get loaded or it will get executed when the class loading happens. That means first it will print this particular content, and when this will executed, as we know, whenever we are creating an object, the constructor will be get called and constructor code will be executed. But there is a non-static block, right? So which one will take preference? So first it will take preference of non-static block, then only it will go execute constructor block. That means new ABC, the execution point starts from non-static block. Non-static block execution completes, it will go to the constructor block and it will execute it. Clear? Can you execute it? Let's execute. You can see first it printed a static block, it means it executed the static block, and then while creating an object it is executed non-static block first and then constructor. Here we are creating two objects, so for first object this highlighted block, and for second object this highlighted block executed. That means non-static blocks and constructors will be executing each time when object gets created, but static blocks will execute only one time at the time of class loading. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.